Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by gathering tools. Y000 tri-point screwdriver, thin pry picks, eye opener or heat pad, replacement battery, tweezers, ESD strap. You will open the AirPods 3 case carefully. Doing so preserves fragile latches and waterproof seals. Once done, heat the seam lightly to soften adhesive, then slide a thin pick just enough to separate chassis halves. Make sure to work on a clean, flat surface with good light and a small container for screws so none get lost. Keep a magnifier handy. Now you remove the internal modules. Disconnect the visible flex cables with a plastic spudger and unclip the battery connector gently. You avoid bending the battery or tearing ribbons. Once disconnected, pry the battery out slowly. It's glued, not bolted, and use isopropyl alcohol on adhesive zones to loosen them if needed. If soldering is required, tin pads first and use low-wattage iron. Otherwise, align the replacement battery exactly where the old one sat. Make sure to reuse foam spacers for vibration damping and heat dissipation. Reassemble in reverse order. Reconnect flex cables, press connectors until they click, and seat the logic board carefully so no cables are pinched. Once reassembled, close the case and use light clamps or a low-temp adhesive strip to reseal the seam. Allow adhesive to cure per instructions. Power test by pairing with your device and checking battery status. Recalibrate by draining and fully charging once. If the AirPod shows no charge, reopen and inspect connector alignment. Misseated flex cables cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.